What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every investor's mind. Artificial intelligence. The AI revolution is here, and it's reshaping industries right before our eyes. The big question is, where should you put your money to ride this massive wave? While everyone knows the big names, I want to talk about some potentially explosive AI stocks that could seriously boom by 2026. We're re-looking beyond the obvious to find the hidden gems. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore the future of AI investing. First up, let's talk about Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Now, Palantir isn't your typical AI company. They specialize in big data analytics, helping governments and large corporations make sense of massive, complex datasets. Think of them as the master detectives of the digital world. Their platforms, Gotham and Foundry, are used for everything from counterterrorism to optimizing supply chains. What makes them so exciting for 2026? Their new artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, a DS designed to bring large language models and other AI capabilities directly into their clients' private networks, securely. As more organizations realize they need powerful, custom AI solutions without sending their sensitive data to the cloud, Palantir is perfectly positioned. Their deep government contracts provide a stable foundation, while their expansion into the commercial sector is where the explosive growth could really come from. Next on my radar is a company that might surprise you. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. For years, NVIDIA has dominated the AI chip market, and for good reason. But the race is far from over. AMD is making serious moves to challenge that dominance. Their new Instinct MI300 ARX accelerator is a beast of a chip, designed specifically for generative AI workloads. Big players like Microsoft and Meta are already adopting AMD's hardware for their AI infrastructure. Why is this a big deal for 2026? 2. The demand for AI chips is so astronomical that there is more than enough room for a strong number 2. As companies look to diversify their suppliers and find more cost-effective solutions without sacrificing performance, AMD stands to capture a significant chunk of this multi-billion-dollar market. Don't sleep on AMD. They are a powerful contender ready to make their mark. Let's shift gears and look at a software-focused play, CrowdStrike. Ticker CRWD. In a world powered by AI, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. AI can be used for good, but it can also be used to create more sophisticated cyber attacks. That's where CrowdStrike comes in. They are a leader in cloud-native endpoint security. Their platform, Falcon, uses a combination of AI, machine learning, and a massive threat database to predict and stop breaches before they happen. As businesses of all sizes adopt more AI tools, their attack surface expands, making them more vulnerable. CrowdStrike's AI-driven approach to security becomes not just a nice-to-have, but an absolute necessity. Their business model is subscription-based, which means predictable, recurring revenue. By 2026, as the AI landscape matures, the need to protect it will be paramount, putting CrowdStrike in an incredibly strong position for sustained growth. Finally, I want to highlight a company that provides the essential building blocks for the AI data center revolution. Arista Networks, ticker ANSHIT. You can have the best AI chips in the world, but if they can't communicate with each other at lightning-fast speeds, they're useless. Arista specializes in high-speed cloud networking, switches, and software. They are the traffic cops of the data center, ensuring that massive amounts of data flow seamlessly between servers. Their technology is crucial for building the powerful clusters needed to train and run large AI models. As companies like Microsoft, Meta, and others continue to build out their AI infrastructure, they're turning to Arista for the networking backbone. While not as flashy as a chip designer or a software giant, Arista is a critical enabler of the entire AI ecosystem. This picks and shovels play is a fantastic way to invest in the broader AI trend, with a company that has a clear technological edge and a massive market to serve. So there you have it. 4 AI-related stocks that I believe have incredible potential to boom by 2026. We've got Palantir with its secure, enterprise-grade AI platform. AMD, as a rising challenger in the AI chip space. CrowdStrike protecting the entire digital ecosystem. And Arista Networks building the superhighways for AI data. Of course, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The market can be unpredictable, but the trend toward AI is undeniable. Which AI stocks are you watching? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.